What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a little bit of a silver unboxing, the first one of July of 2020. Got 4 of my orders so far. Figured I'd open them up really quick just in case you're new. Make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and we're just about there. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. But today I want to open up a little bit of silver. As I talked about, I placed, I think, 5 orders on July 1st, because that was the first day of the third quarter, which means I'm able to get 10% cash back on all purchases made through PayPal for the next 90 days. So I got started by placing 5 orders right off the bat. I have 4 of those 5 right here, and I also placed some other orders as well, and it's not just silver I'm ordering. I got some new gym equipment, I got some new books, because as many of you know, I'm not only building a bank for myself, I'm building a gym and a library as well. So moving forward, let's talk about some of this silver. I have 4 packages or envelopes sitting here in front of me. I have one of them's coming from Minnesota, one's coming from Ohio, and 2 are coming from 2 different cities in California. So I want to show off a couple things. Let's see, which one should I talk about first? I'll go with this one right here because it's the smallest order. This one, check this out. 1 silver dime. You guys know how eBay works. Sometimes you only pick tiny little order at a time. So this is obviously the smallest of all of my orders, just 1 little silver coin, but it's a 1962 Roosevelt dime. As many people have probably been doing as well, I've been pretty much focusing mostly on 90% silver. I figured, you know what, why pay the higher premiums on pure silver coins right now? Premiums are kind of up there, and you can get an ounce of silver with 90%, or even with generic rounds and bars for a lower premium. So same amount of silver, lower dollar amount, so that's pretty much just what I've been doing. So probably for the next 3 months, the third quarter of 2020, I'm probably going to be prioritizing 90% junk constitutional silver for the most part. So obviously nothing crazy, nothing overly important, just 1 Roosevelt dime that I can add to the stack. And here's just a little bit of 90% that I have. I figured I'm talking about 90% silver, so why not have a little bit on display? So next up would be this right here, coming out of Ohio. Another small order, the second smallest, but some Mercury Dimes. You know, if I had to pick one specific 90% silver coin that I could stack and nothing else, it would probably be the Mercury Dime. To be slightly less specific, I'd probably just go with dimes in general, between dimes, quarters, and half dollars, and also piece dollars and Morgan dollars. Between all of those, I'd probably go with dimes, but if I had to be even more specific, it'd probably be the Mercury Dime. I've always been a fan of how these looked, so we have a 1937p and another 1937p. Got these for a steal. Typically, these go for a slightly higher dollar amount than Roosevelt dimes. But while I was comparing my orders, these, let's just say one of these, this versus this, I actually paid a slightly lower dollar amount for the Mercury dime than even the Roosevelt dime. And I even got this for a good price. I don't have the exact numbers up in front of me, so I'm not going to pretend that I know them. I do know for a fact that these ended up being slightly less than the Roosevelt dime, which was actually pretty cool. So it's always nice to get some Mercury dimes, and I may or may not take them out of these little cardboard display cases or whatever you want to call them. Takes up more room than it needs to, but doesn't really matter. So that was the second order. Now let's go for the third of four. Let's see, which one do I want to open up first? Probably, I'll go with this one. The third smallest order. Keep in mind, I have more silver coming in the mail as well. This is not all that I ordered. This was 4 out of the 5 from just July 1st. I got even more coming in the mail. So this one, a little bit more. Oh, this is what they were inside of originally. Okay, so first and foremost, got a couple more Roosevelt Dimes. I'll take them out, show them off. This particular order, the seller on eBay actually put something a little extra in, which I'll show off in a second. Let's see, we got a 1962, a 56, and another 56 it looks like. Yep. So this one over here on the left, now on the left, slightly discolored. Let's flip them over. Gotta love some silver dimes. Next up, a 1956 Roosevelt dime. Another 56. Another 56. I think they're all, yep, they're all 56s. Another 56. Not bad. So that was the third of 4 orders that have arrived. However, this seller, for some strange reason, I don't know why, I didn't order them, but they threw in a couple 2020 pennies. That's pretty cool. Didn't ask for them, but they were tossed in there. So, it's pretty cool, I guess. Pretty nice of them. And now, the last order that arrived anyway. More to come soon. Let's see. This one. A couple more silver dimes. You see, I was never that big of a fan of 90% silver. Truth be told, I'm still not the biggest fan of it. I'm still a 3 9s or 4 9s fine type of guy. That's just my preference. But when it comes to that 90%, I understand the importance of diversification. And I appreciate the fact that this stuff right here gives me a way to break an ounce or make change for an ounce if need be, if that makes sense, because silver dimes are, after all, 1/14 of an ounce of silver. So I think we got 12 right here. Let me count. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep, 12. So let me go through the years really quick, in case anybody's wondering. Let's see. We got a 64, 64. We got a... These might all be 64. Nope, they're not all 64s, but we got 2 more. 1964. Roosevelt Dimes. Not bad. We got a 61 and a 52. Pretty cool. Not bad. We got, what is this? A 52 and a 62. 62 on the left, 52 on the right. The 52 is actually pretty worn down. I almost couldn't make out the date. I saw 1950 something. Closer look, 52. But obviously kind of worn down. A little scratched up. But it's still a silver coin. Still about 1/14 of an ounce of silver. I'm not really one to complain too much about the condition. Just pointing it out. Got a 64 and a 64 once again. Two more 1964s. Same year. Different condition. Almost a different color. Flip it over. That's right. And then finally, oh, what do you know? Two more 1964s. So like I said, I appreciate the fact that 90% silver gives me a way to break an ounce or make change for an ounce if absolutely necessary. Could absolutely come in handy if and when the spot price of silver were to ever go up significantly. I don't necessarily mean skyrocketing per se, but if it were to gradually increase over time and make its way up to, I don't know, $20, $30, $40, $50 an ounce, these would really come in handy. 1/14 of an ounce of silver. 1/14 of a troy ounce of silver, let me clarify. And then obviously the silver quarters over here are about 1/6 of an ounce of silver, while half dollars are about 1/3 of an ounce of silver. So, like I always say, if you know how to add and subtract up to the number 14, 90% silver should be pretty simple for you. Basic math. If you need half a troy ounce, you know that all you need to do is grab 7 silver dimes or 3 silver quarters. So, simple math, and I think it was pretty cool. Nothing overly impressive, obviously. All I got today was this. Everything that you could see right now is everything that I got today. Nothing overly substantial, nothing insane. How many did we got? 12. Let's see, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Plus I got even more coming in the mail. So today's unboxing, 22 silver dimes. Again, nothing overly impressive, nothing overly interesting, but hey, silver is silver, and I'll get as much of it as I possibly can. And for the months of July, August, and September, I will be ordering as much as possible and using PayPal as my method of payment, because I will be getting 10% cash back, 10 of my own dollars back for every $100 I spend. And it's not just precious metals, it's anything. So I'm using this Discover It cashback card. Link in the description if you want to apply for it through a referral link. You and I will both get a free $50 statement credit. If you know somebody with the card, make sure to use theirs. But if you don't know somebody with the card, they don't have a referral link, you're more than welcome to use mine. $50 referral bonus for both of us, which is always pretty cool. You're not going to get that free $50 if you don't use a referral link, so I recommend you do if you want one. But I brought that up just because that's how I'm getting 10% cash back, if anybody was wondering what I meant by that. But yeah, some of the silver that I got today, not bad, not impressive, but it's still silver. And it's 22 pieces of silver more than the average person has. So At least I have that going for me. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're just about there, so help us out. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. And of course, the brand new Major Cheeseball t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, because evidently if you carry a silver coin with you in your pocket, apparently that makes you a major cheeseball. I embrace it, and I hope you do too. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, number one, what do you think of silver unboxing videos? Because I have a feeling this video right here is not going to perform very well. My silver unboxing videos typically do not. I don't know why that is. I've always liked unboxing videos, but if you're not a big fan of unboxing videos, let me know in the comments, or if you are a fan of it, let me know. And more importantly, when it comes to 90% silver, let's get these out of the picture for a second. When it comes to 90% silver, what is your preference? Do you prefer the Roosevelt Dimes, maybe the Mercury Dimes, maybe the Washington quarters, maybe the Standing Liberty quarters, maybe you like one of the 3 type of silver half dollars out there, maybe you prefer Morgan dollars and peace dollars? I pretty much steer clear of those. I go with this stuff right here for the most part. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anything and everything related to 90% silver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.